Yo, what's up, my dear esteemed guests and my beautiful subscribers? It is me, of course, Lightlagger here as always, and today we are going to be talking about XRP and more precisely how to get these airdrops which are currently going on the XRP's blockchain. And those who don't know, XRP works a bit differently from the rest of the other blockchains out there because they use a Trustline system, and in order to receive tokens, you need to enable that trust line. Previously, I did a video on how to basically do that on Stellar. I'm gonna link that in the corner in case people are interested in that, because also in Stellar there are some airdrops currently ongoing for a lot of holders and people who have used DeFi applications. But today we're gonna be focusing on XRP. And I think that before we jump into the actual wallet that you will be needing, I want to talk about a couple of airdrops which are kind of like, heralded as very big, and which ones are going to be having a lot of value, and you definitely don't want to miss these. So the first one we have is Vagabond, which is basically trying to make blockchain accessible to everyone. They are doing all types of different stuff. This is actually like a real company that has employees and everything, and they have a planned out roadmap and everything. And also Doc's team, and they have currently airdrop going on, which is going to be given out in December 1st. That is in 2 weeks, and everybody can basically sign in, and they're going to need to enable or add their XRP address here, email, and they can leave the message blank and fill in some of these boxes basically, and then a request airdrop. And these will kind of like first come, first serve. So as they say here, until they're going to be investing like 20 million tokens or something. So I guess that's 20,000 accounts or something. My math is as horrible as always. But this is one of those things you definitely want to enter. Another one that has been heralded as pretty big airdrop is this Sologenic airdrop. And this is going to be given out to XRP and Solo holders. The snapshot is going to be taken on December 24th. And then we obviously have the whole thing with Songbird, which is the canary tested for Flare Network, and you can actually stake that. I'm going to leave that video there, and I will be getting some rewards for that, and maybe some other airdrops, but those are technically on an EVM, so they're not on the XRP's native chain. So the first thing you need to do is get this Zom Wallet, and this is available on Google Play Store and Apple Play Store, or Apple App Store, whatever it's called. And this will be needed to basically get everything done, because Zom Wallet is one of those which basically allows you to enable Trustlines. So you may have, let's say, your XRP on Exodus, for example, which I had, and I basically imported, I don't remember, was it the private key or the seed phrase, the Zom, and that's how I'm basically able to access my XRP here very smoothly and very easily. And next up, after you have downloaded the application, if you don't have any XRP there, that's okay. And you will be seeing your own main interface. And you click the middle button, and this will basically have a scan QR code. Now, some very generous fellow named by XRP_airdrops on Twitter has basically done a whole list of these airdrops which are going on right now, and when the snapshots are being taken. So as of right now, there has been already snapshots for these two addresses. And there's one on 19th, there's actually two coming out on 19th. And what you need to do is you go into this link, and this will basically take you in to the actual address for this thing. And there's also sometimes, I guess there's a KYC thing, it doesn't matter. But what you need to do now is basically click confirm, and then you're going to be opening up your Xumm. And now you're going to be using the QR scanner, and there will be a transaction now popping out, which you will be signing. This will be costing 0.00012 XRP. You slide to accept and click continue. And now basically it asks you to put a password on. This is kind of the annoying part about this. Putting my password in and signing. And after you have signed, it says sent, and then verifying. And after second or two, now, okay, the transaction has been submitted. And here on my screen on Xumm, I can see this token that we just added out. And that's how easy it basically is to add those tokens. And once they are added in, you will be basically getting that airdrop. But if you don't have the Trustline added on your wallet, you will be not getting anything. Obviously, there will be different projects coming along which will have certain requirements. Maybe they are going to be distributing only to people who have over 100 XRP or something between those lines. And some may have hard caps. For example, the Vagabond, I think this one had a maximum cap of 1,000 XRP. So that is the maximum you can get is 1,000 VGP per address. But obviously people are going to be just clearing multiple addresses and things like that to basically get these airdrops. Now, some of these coins and tokens are going to be trash. Some of them are going to be meme coins. And some of them are going to be having value. But the effort is so low to basically add these trust lines to the Xumm application. And the risk, there's no really risk on creating a trust line. It doesn't give them access to your XRP or anything like that. And once you have, done everything, you could basically trade them on Sologenic. I haven't done this myself. I'm probably going to be doing a video on this later on. But basically, you have the ability to sell probably the most of the tokens you're going to be getting from these airdrops. So that is pretty nice. So thanks for watching. In case you want to support me, here's my XRP donation address. And obviously, if you're a dApp maker in any blockchain, you can always drop me an email and maybe we can work something out in the future. But thanks for watching. In case you have any video questions, you can leave them in the comment section and I try to answer the best of my ability. Obviously, I'm not an XRP expert by any stretch of imagination, so you have to, work with the information that I have. But obviously there's Reddit and other communities where you can basically get more information about this. But if you have XRP lying around on some wallet, you should definitely take these airdrops because you might make some more, and there's obviously going to be more snapshots for future protocols in the future as well. Thanks for watching. I'll be seeing you guys on the next video.